average atomic mass represents the weighted average of isotopes. In this lesson, we'll explore how to calculate the average mass of an element based on the natural abundance of its isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of the same element that have different masses. They contain the same number of protons, but differ in their number of neutrons. Each isotope occurs in nature with a specific natural abundance, meaning some isotopes are more common than others. Let's look at carbon as an example. Carbon-12 has 6 protons and 6 neutrons and makes up 98.9% of naturally occurring carbon. Carbon-13 has 6 protons and 7 neutrons, accounting for only 1.1% of natural carbon. Elements exist as mixtures of isotopes in nature. Because of this, the periodic table doesn't list the mass of a single isotope. Instead, it shows the weighted average mass based on the natural abundance of all isotopes of that element. The formula for average atomic mass is the sum of each isotope's mass multiplied by its abundance. In mathematical notation, this is represented as sigma, which means summation, of isotope mass times abundance for all isotopes. To calculate average atomic mass, follow 3 simple steps. First, convert percent abundance to decimal form by dividing by 100. Second, multiply each isotope's mass by its decimal abundance. Third, add all these products together to get the final average atomic mass. Let's calculate carbon's average atomic mass. Carbon-12 at 12 atomic mass units times 0.989 equals 11.868. Carbon-13 at 13.003 atomic mass units times 0.011 equals 0.143. Adding these together gives us 12.011 atomic mass units, which matches the value on the periodic table. Remember these key points. Average atomic mass reflects the natural abundance of isotopes. The calculated value is always closer to the mass of the most abundant isotope. And finally, average atomic mass is expressed in atomic mass units, abbreviated as a MU.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.